Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm in Munich, Germany, standing in front of a gate. And if you look right here, there used to be a facade here, a fake door, where Willy Wonka came out and walked down the steps, walked down a red carpet, and stopped right about there and did a somersault. And right now I'm gonna show you a few things that are in the movie that are still here. I thought this place was actually a movie set or something, but it's actually a real place. It's in like north central Munich. I think it's north central Munich. But anyway, here we go. I think I'm standing exactly where Willy Wonka was standing. His cane stuck in the ground somewhere in this area. And then he did a somersault right here. So this concrete circle with the wood in it is in the movie. This piece of wood is actually, you can see it in the movie, but this building was not here. This is where you can see the Wonka smokestack right there. The gate itself is not the one in the movie. The one in the movie had like more swirly, cool things on it. Too bad that wasn't still here, but you can see where it was replaced. It's got bolts here and stuff and concrete. Also the floor, the ground rather, was all cobblestone, and now there's grass here. In one shot of the movie, you can see Willy Wonka walking this way. He stops right about here. You can see this in the background, the little building. You can see the rails coming out. Now there are 3 holes where the rails used to be, but are no longer there. The red carpet comes out, it turns right about there. Right about here, Willy Wonka stops, takes off his hat with his left hand. His cane sticks in the ground right about there. He does a somersault and then everybody cheers. This whole area is where everybody was standing. But this is a real place. It's pretty cool. Here's another scene from the movie, where you can see the clock tower and then the kids coming out of, I think it's this door.
And then you see them running here, and then you see them going down the stairs over there.
And then they go down the stairs over here, and then you can actually see in the movie over this concrete balcony, this scene right here. You can see the kids running down the stairs. Charlie Bucket going this way. Okay. I haven't watched the movie in a long time, but this is very familiar. There's also a geocache here. Check this out. If nobody knows what geocaching is, this is one example of a geocache. You come inside here and you pull this down, and you can see where I logged it right there. May 10th, 2023. That's an awesome geocache. But you have to climb to get to it. Anyway, just wanted to share that because I had no idea it was a real place. My brother found out about it, and that's why we came over here. It's like we were in Old City, Munich, and we decided to take a 20-minute bus ride over here, and we're here. And yeah, if you're ever in Munich and you want to see some cool movie history, definitely come out and check it out. All right, that's all I got for today. Thanks for watching.